How to make your cover photos private on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make our cover photos private on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to make your cover photo, which means the photo behind your profile picture, private on Facebook, there are a couple of steps you can follow. First, you can tap on that profile and select See Cover Photo. Then tap on the three dots option, and here you can see that we don't have the edit privacy option. Now the reason this happens is because Facebook cover photos are something that is displayed like your profile picture when someone visits your profile. So it's there to highlight what your profile is all about. Now if you want to hide it, you can't completely hide it, but you can make it unclickable. That means whenever people want to zoom in and see, they can't do that by locking your profile. So you can lock your profile by tapping the three dots option here, then going to this option called lock profile, then just selecting the option called lock your profile, and then you'll be able to lock your profile, which will ultimately not totally make it private, but it will make it unclickable for the people who are trying to view your profile picture or your cover photo. So I hope that this video helped you understand the differences. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.